The future of artificial intelligence and its potential for greatness are well known to all of us. But as designers, do we realize how powerful it is and how it relates to us in this way? Artificial intelligence is slowly but steadily taking over the world, enabling a more comfortable way of life, one person at a time, day by day. Would you like to be kept up to date on the latest AI developments? You've arrived at the correct location. Welcome to AI Tech Vision, a YouTube channel where we discuss everything related to artificial intelligence. Subscribe to stay up to date with the technological revolution. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have made a significant contribution to our lives. They have a substantial impact on how we perform, live our lives, conduct business, and other aspects of our lives. For a few years now, several artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) tools have been adopted by various businesses across industries. The application of artificial intelligence in graphic design opens up a whole new world of possibilities for working with images. As for graphic design, AI will serve as a design partner. There are AI tools available to make the difficult task of designing easier for the designer. This video showcases some of the most effective artificial intelligence tools for graphic designers. UIzard. UIzard is a powerful AI-based tool that is especially beneficial to UI designers. Automatically convert a hand-drawn wireframe into a smooth digital design and a front-end code using this tool, developed by an international team of engineers, designers, and entrepreneurs. To take a photo of the sketch drawn on paper, all required is a smartphone with a camera. In a matter of seconds, UIzard will transform it into an exact prototype for you. As soon as the design has been converted to digital format, the designer can personalize its style guides, export the design to Sketch, and finally create the front-end code. UIzard employs artificial intelligence and machine learning models, computer vision technology, and deep learning networks to convert the sketch into digital design and code. Fronty. Fronty is yet another artificial intelligence-based design tool that allows front-end developers to make their lives easier by converting an image into HTML, CSS code, among other things. Creating website pages is as simple as uploading an image of the design to your computer. Fronty will automatically generate the front-end code for you in minutes after your design has been loaded. Furthermore, through their user interface editor, you can easily modify the content and design your website from anywhere at any time. Fronty can produce clean code that includes semantically correct HTML and source code based on the powerful CSS language. Depart. Suppose you are an admirer of legendary image artists such as Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, Salvador Dali, and others. In that case, this artificial intelligence tool will come as a blessing to you. It is possible to create one-of-a-kind artworks on Depart. This website allows users to use an algorithm to redraw one image using the stylistic elements of another picture to create a unique artistic vision. Depart transforms your photographs into works of art by employing machine learning techniques to do so. Artificial intelligence is used to track making pictures appear realistic while remaining true to the style chosen. As a result, this application is ideal for creating websites that look as if Vincent van Gogh painted them. Khroma. Color is one of the fundamental elements of graphic design and, as such, plays a critical role in the success of your designs. It is also one of the most challenging elements to master. Khroma is an artificial intelligence color tool for designers that assists them in discovering and saving color palettes that they frequently use. The tool uses artificial intelligence to recognize the set of colors that you enjoy or that you frequently use, and it automatically generates a palette for your future designs. Color palettes for different clients can be separated and saved in this manner, which can be extremely useful for designers who use their brand colors. Let's enhance. Graphic design is primarily concerned with the transparency of the visuals used in the creation of the design. Insufficient explicitness in the design will result in the design failing to achieve the goal for which it was created. Let's Enhance is an artificial intelligence-powered tool developed by a Ukrainian startup that allows designers to refine and enlarge images without distorting them in any way. The tool makes use of machine learning to improve the quality of images. The tool consists primarily of 3 filters: the anti-JPEG filter, which removes JPEG artifacts and converts the image to the PNG format, the dull filter, which can upscale an image 4 times while maintaining all of the details, the magic filter, which allows designers to add necessary information to their ideas. Graphic designers and front-end developers will benefit from these artificial intelligence tools, demonstrating how quickly the world of technology evolves and achieves new paradigms. Design agencies such as Graphic Zoo employ skilled designers who not only have a fundamental understanding of how to use graphic design elements, but are also highly knowledgeable about how to handle the latest artificial intelligence tools to produce visually appealing designs for brands. The emergence of artificial intelligence in graphic design. Artificial intelligence has advanced significantly in recent years. The most significant technological achievement can be seen in the field of logo design. After all, it had been a perfect match from the beginning of time. Take the case of Taylor Brands, for instance. A highly advanced artificial intelligence-based logo designer can create visually appealing and distinctive logos for businesses. Sure, it can't compete with the creativity of human designers, but it's quick, inexpensive, and comes with a slew of customizable features. Most importantly, it can simulate the actions of a human designer by comprehending your design requirements. A few years ago, the concept of a software application that can process human requirements for a graphic design, such as a logo, was utterly foreign to most people. This is because it was something that was typically reserved for a person's emotional intelligence. There are numerous examples of technology behemoths that are also utilizing artificial intelligence. For example, Adobe's new artificial intelligence tool Sensei makes it easier to create the perfect customer experiences through visual assets by using machine learning techniques. It can act as your assistant when you are working on creative projects, assisting you in achieving photorealistic effects, finding relevant content through an intuitive search, and other tasks. The design industry's future. The Simpsons were correct when they said, "The end is near." We are not referring to the end of the world, but rather to the complete automation and computerization of human lives, the beginning of the robotic revolution. Many people are asking questions due to the rapid increase in the use and advancement of artificial intelligence, and designers are no exception to this trend. What will human designers' role in the design industry be in the future when every other task is entirely automated? With the advancement of machine learning techniques and methods, there is a good chance that robots will soon take over most job functions in the workplace. Does this, however, imply that designers are at risk of being replaced by robots? Machine learning will undoubtedly impact the lives of designers, but not in the sense of replacing them entirely. For designers, artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques are making designing methods and approaches easier to learn and apply and making them more advanced. The likelihood of robots taking the place of human designers is extremely low. Has technology altered the landscape of the design industry? A good design, in the eyes of the general public, is something that makes your website and logo visually appealing. However, a well-composed design is a holy grail that many designers strive for, but only a select few can achieve. Artificial intelligence, AI, has made significant advances in the design and development industries, using neural networks, deep machine learning, augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality, to name a few examples. Creativity cannot be taught or embedded in a system, but instead is an inherent human characteristic. It is safe to assume that humans will remain the primary designers in the face of the robotic revolution. On the other hand, designers have come to rely on their ability to learn and keep up with the latest advanced design solutions and methods. Designers can't be successful in the design industry if they do not know advanced tools and software. It is the designer's responsibility to complete a wide range of tasks with accuracy and perfection. Many small tasks, such as setting up the grid and configuring the rules and scales, have been automated thanks to these technologically advanced tools and applications. With fewer tasks on their plate, a designer can now devote more time to the design, deciding on the most appropriate design elements rather than arranging those elements. Technology is unlikely to outperform more creative and intellectually advanced designers in the future. Designers don't need much more than a high level of intellect combined with cutting-edge technology to overcome design issues and problems. The popular belief that robots and artificial intelligence will eventually take your jobs is not entirely accurate. Artificial intelligence-powered devices and robots will free up time that would otherwise be spent on repetitive tasks. Artificial intelligence will assist designers in automating these tasks, but it will also allow them to devote more time to the strategic aspects of the design process. That's all there is to it for today. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments section. We'll see you in the next one.